Here the problem given as a concave mirror of negligible thickness and radius of curvature 60 centimeters is placed on a table. An object is placed above it such that its image is formed on object itself. If the mirror is filled with water mu equal to 4 by 3, then the final image will be formed at where? Okay. See here what is commonly happening. Before pouring the water, the radius of curvature is different. After pouring the water, the refractive index changes the effective radius of curvature of the system. So that is the reason you have already in practicals you studied mu equal to R1 by R2. Yes or no? The refractive index and related with the ratio of the radius of curvature of the lens without water means with water. Now from this you can calculate that effective radius after pouring water. R2 is equal to, how you can get R1 by mu. R1 by mu. When you will get R1 by mu, so from this R1 value you know that is 60 centimeters they given by refractive index 4 by 3. So that is equal to how much? 180 by 45. Okay, 45 centimeters. Once you will get this, now the focal length you can relate. Yes sir. Now what is the relation between focal length and this amount? The effective focal length is equal to half of the radius. We know the relation between focal length and radius of curvature for a mirror. Yes or no? For a mirror. Now that is equal to 45 by 2. 45 by 2. Once you will get this focal length 45 by 2. Now simply you can use the mirror equation you can use. The mirror equation for this effective focal length with objective distance 60 centimeters and the image distance where it will be formed. Yes or no? So for that you need to take mirror equation. Once you will get the mirror equation, but another thing you need to know the sign convention. Okay, the sign convention. Here that is objective distance, if you know 60 centimeters, that is actually in the negative. Yes or no? And again V is also negative. You will get why? Because the calculated value, for calculated values you don't need to substitute the sign convention. Yes or no? And again the focal length is also negative. Now the mirror equation 1 by F is equal to 1 by V plus 1 by U. 1 by U. Now you can substitute with sign convention. F value is negative as well as U is also negative. U is also negative. Now 1 by F value how much? F we found 45 by 2. 1 by minus 45 by 2 is equal to 1 by V plus 1 by minus 60. 1 by minus 60. Now from here separate this V. Okay, 1 by V is equal to 2 by 45. 2 by 45. Okay, next minus 1 by 60. Okay, minus 1 by 60. Now that is equal to take LCM 180, and now 180 how many times 45 will go? 45 will go 8 times. Next minus 60 will go 3 times. Yes sir, minus. Okay, sorry, here you need to get that is minus 2 by 45 Okay, understood. Why with the reason when you send that, you interchange the LH side and RH side, the sign must be a changes. Okay. Now minus 8, this is plus 3. Now that is equal to minus 5 by 180. Now that is equal to 1 by minus 90. So why this minus symbolizes indirectly, that is also forming just in above the table only. That's why, because this is the method, so automatically